What if the secret to sharper vision, calmer moods, a stronger immune system, and even cancer protection is quietly growing on a tropical tree? That's what I discovered with Soursop. It's more than just a fruit. It's nature's remedy, packed with powerful compounds. And by the end of this video, I'll share the one benefit that shocked even me. So stay with me. You don't want to miss this. 1. Keeps your eyes sharp and healthy. Let's start with something we all care about as we age, our vision. When I started adding Soursop to my routine, I noticed less eye strain, even after long hours reading or on screens. Soursop is rich in lutein, a powerful antioxidant that protects against cataracts and macular degeneration. It's like giving your eyes a natural shield, so you can keep seeing the world in vivid detail. 2. Calms stress and lifts your mood. Ever feel overwhelmed or anxious? I did too, until I discovered Soursop leaf tea. It contains ananine, which works with serotonin, your feel-good chemical, to calm your mind and ease tension. A warm cup before bed feels like a hug for the nervous system, and I sleep like a baby. Wait, if you're loving these tips, consider subscribing to be among the first ones to enjoy more natural health hacks to live your best life. 3. Fights off harmful bacteria. Here's something surprising. Soursop acts like a natural antibacterial. I started using the extract when I had gum sensitivity and noticed a big difference. It fights the bacteria behind gum disease, tooth decay, even serious infections like staph. It's like having a gentle, natural antibiotic right in your kitchen. 4. Hydrates your body naturally tired of feeling drained in the heat. Soursop is over 80% water. I blend it into smoothies, and it keeps me feeling refreshed and energized. No need to force down plain water all day, just delicious hydration that tastes like a tropical vacation. 5. Stabilizes blood pressure. High blood pressure is a silent threat, but Soursop can help keep it in check. It's loaded with potassium, which flushes out excess sodium and relaxes your blood vessels. Since adding it to my diet, my readings have stable, and I feel more at ease. It's a simple, tasty way to support heart health. 6. Eases constipation naturally. Let's be honest, nobody likes feeling backed up. Soursop is rich in fiber and water, the perfect combination for digestive support. Since I started adding it to my morning smoothie, everything flows naturally. No harsh laxatives, just gentle, effective relief. 7. Boosts your immune system. Here's the secret I've been saving. Soursop is a powerful immune booster. It's packed with vitamin C and quercetin, antioxidants that help your body fight off illness. Since drinking the tea regularly, I've noticed fewer colds, less fatigue, and more energy. It's like giving your immune system a daily shield. 8. May help prevent diabetes. Worried about rising blood sugar? Soursop may help. Its antioxidants protect the pancreas, the part of the body that produces insulin, and the fiber slows down sugar absorption, helping keep your energy steady and your glucose levels balanced. It's a natural step toward diabetes prevention. 9. Reduces inflammation in your body. Joint pain, colitis, chronic discomfort. It may be inflammation at the root. Soursop contains over 200 natural compounds, including acetogenins, that help your body fight inflammation. When I started using it regularly, I noticed less stiffness after long walks, more comfort, and better mobility. 10. Potential anti-cancer power. Now this one really surprised me. Early studies show Soursop compounds may reduce tumor growth in breast cancer and stop leukemia cells from multiplying. It's not a cure, but the results are promising. And many people use the leaves as part of their natural wellness routine. It's a hopeful sign of how powerful nature's medicine can be. From sharper eyes, to steadier blood sugar, to a stronger immune system, it's nature's gift for aging vibrantly. Just try a smoothie, brew a cup of tea, or enjoy it fresh. Your body will thank you. But Soursop is just the beginning. There's another tropical superfood that could hold even more health secrets, especially if you're over 50 and want to stay energized and active. Tap that next video now, and let's keep this natural health journey going together. I'll see you there.